Welcome to Craft Catalog, where smart design turns woodworking into work that sells. Imagine crafting wooden pieces so unique and desirable, they practically sell themselves. We are about to reveal the hidden design secrets and market insights that separate everyday woodworking from highly profitable custom commissions. Prepare to discover how to infuse your creations with irresistible aesthetic and functional elements that command premium prices and elevate your craftsmanship. Most woodworkers begin by following blueprints, and that is a good place to start. Plans teach accuracy, structure, and confidence. But the wood pieces that truly sell, the ones people are willing to pay more for, go beyond the blueprint. They are not just built well. They are designed with intention. People do not buy wood because of joints, tools, or techniques. They buy wood because it solves a problem, improves a space, or creates a feeling. A shelf is not just storage. It is order and calm. A table is not just furniture. It is gathering and connection. When you understand this, design becomes more important than perfection. Blueprints feel safe because they remove uncertainty. They tell you exactly what to cut, where to drill, and how to assemble. But blueprints also create copies. When many people build the same thing, the only difference left is price. That is where many makers struggle. Custom design breaks that cycle by competing on value instead of being cheaper. Customers rarely ask about your tools or how long a project took. They do not care about the name of a joint or the brand of your saw. What they care about is whether the piece fits their space, fits their lifestyle, and fits their taste. Good design answers these questions instantly, without explanation. Design does not require advanced drawing skills. You do not need to think like an architect. You need to think like a user. Start with limitations. A small room, a narrow wall, a limited budget, or one available material. These limits guide creativity instead of blocking it. A tight corner becomes a custom shelf. A narrow hallway becomes vertical storage. Scrap wood becomes character instead of waste. Many people believe successful designs come from brand new ideas. In reality, most profitable designs come from smart modification. The secret is not invention. It is improvement. Take something familiar like a shelf, a bench, or an organizer and change one thing. Adjust the size to fit a real space. Change the orientation to save room. Add a hidden function. Improve how it mounts or moves. One thoughtful change can turn an ordinary object into a custom solution. This approach makes design practical. You are not creating art for a gallery. You are creating useful objects for daily life. That is why usability matters more than complexity. A simple design that works perfectly will always be more valuable than a complex design that does not. Many beginners chase perfection. Perfect cuts, perfect angles, perfect finishes. But perfection is not what sells handmade work. Personality sells. Natural grain, soft edges, and subtle tool marks show that a piece is handmade. These details create authenticity. Authenticity builds trust, and trust creates value. Complex projects do not automatically mean higher prices. Useful projects do. A simple cabinet that fits exactly between two walls is more valuable than an ornate cabinet that does not. A small organizer that solves clutter in a tight space can be more valuable than a large piece that overwhelms the room. When design fits real life, value increases naturally. One strong custom design can become the foundation for many products. The same concept can be adapted into different sizes, finishes, and uses. A single shelf design can become a bathroom shelf, a kitchen shelf, or an entryway organizer. This is how small makers grow without factories, expensive machines, or mass production. Design also tells a story. That story might be about saving space, using reclaimed wood, or making everyday life easier. People connect to stories. When a customer understands why a piece exists, it becomes more than furniture. it becomes meaningful. Observation plays a major role in good design. Watch how people use their spaces. Notice where clutter collects. Notice where furniture does not fit well. These small frustrations are design opportunities. The best custom pieces often solve problems people experience every day but rarely talk about. Instead of asking how to build something perfectly, ask how someone will use it over time. Will it be moved often? Will it carry weight? Will it be touched every day? These questions guide material choice, size, and construction more than any blueprint ever could. Design also helps you price your work with confidence. When a piece is clearly designed for a specific need, price becomes easier to justify. You are no longer selling wood and labor. You are selling a solution that fits perfectly into someone's life. Going beyond the blueprint does not mean abandoning skill or quality. It means using skill with purpose. It means building with intention instead of habit. When design leads the process, your work becomes easier to sell, easier to explain, and more valuable. If you want to grow as a maker, focus less on copying plans and more on understanding people. Focus on how they live, move, and organize their spaces. That is where the best ideas are found. Here at Craft Catalog, the goal is not just to build better projects, but to build smarter ones. Projects that make sense, solve real problems, and stand out naturally. When design leads the way, the blueprint becomes a guide instead of a limit. If you want to continue learning how to turn woodworking skills into meaningful, valuable, and desirable designs, subscribe to Craft Catalog for more practical ideas, real examples, and creative inspiration.